Hello my friends and welcome back. Today I'm super excited to share with you my Black Friday bundle. I've got two choices here. There's a silver and a gold. I'm going to go through both of them really quickly and show you everything that's inside of these bundles. They are available at the time of this video, so as soon as you see this video, head over to the shop and check them out. They will be there and ready to go. And I'm doing this early because these are bundles. They're ready to ship, ready to go, and they can't be combined with the actual Black Friday sale. These are on super sale. You're going to get a ton of a ton of value, trying to think of the right word, for these particular bundles, and they will not be part of the Black Friday sale because they're already hugely discounted. So when the Black Friday sale comes on Black Friday, that will be completely separate from this, and shipping can't be combined because each one, like I said, is ready to ship, already packaged and ready to go. So let's get into it. I'm going to start with the silver bundle, and so I will slide the gold one over, just a little bit out of the way here. The silver bundle, each one of these is going to come, they'll be a tiny little bit different. Each one will have its own unique little planner goodies here on the top. Basically, I just started making things and I thought they looked cute, so I just kept going. But I would run out of things, so then I would try something else, and well, you'll see. Each one of the bundles, though, these will not always be exactly, but they'll be just as awesome. So just so you know that. And then there's also, in this pack is going to be these. I'm going to start carrying these in the shop. So as like a little introduction to them, I am adding a packet of these. There's a little bit over 2 ounces in each one of these little packets here. And these will be inside of your bundle. This one's called Mistletoe Kisses. This one's kind of like a really pretty fruity. It's kind of like a cranberry, some lemon, a little bit of pine. It's a very Christmassy smell. You'll totally get it when you get this. And if it's not your jam, you can just give it to somebody as a gift. It's already ready, packaged and ready to go. Look at my cute little character on the front. Anyway, that's that. So this will be in the pack. Then you've got the planner goodies right here. So I made these little clips, and you'll see that these clips are going to match one of your kits. So there's a silver version and a gold version. And one of the kits that comes in this little bundle here matches this. Then we've got all the silver goodies. So this is a little clip. You got your little lobster clasp on the top. And then hopefully the camera is picking up all the sparkly goodness. But oh my gosh, these are so pretty. And each one of them have different little charms on the bottom, but they're all sparkly good. Then you've got a little clip here with the glitter top. Another clip with a bow and a little charm on the front. These little charms will be different depending on what I have, but they're all Christmassy related. This one has a snowflake. And then you've got this one, which is absolutely gorgeous. So this is the big clip with all the goodies on it. So this one, these are all different as well, but they're all awesome. So this one's got the leaf here, got a little reindeer on here, all kinds of, and this is just a clip that goes on the side, or you could hang it down from the bottom like this off of your page. And there is also a gold version of that, which you will see when I do the gold bundle. So let me put all this off to the side here so you can still see it. It's all going to come in this, packaged in this right here. So I will put this, and here's the bundle. So inside this bundle, so there is over $100 worth of stuff here, just so you know. And each one of these bundles is $45 with shipping. So it's just $45 plus tax. Shipping is already included. So over $100 worth of stuff for $45. So I'm going to open this up. So this is the silver bundle, and like I said, I'll go through the gold one, but everybody is going to get the little dashboard with my little, so here's Pip, Frankie, and Morty, and warm winter wishes to you. And then on the back, it's got the your December goals here. Next, I've got a little vinyl here with a holiday to-do list. I hand drew all these little cute little characters here. So there's that. Then you've got a silver foil bundle in this one. So for your silver foil bundle here, you've got the numbers here. Well, there we go. Hopefully you can see the silver. I'm not sure how well this is picking up. This one has like a little holiday to do. It's got like family photos, plan menu, volunteer, bake cookies, hang lights. So these are all of your little holiday to do's, and this is done in the silver. Then you've got days of the week. And I also added a little lazy day in there in case you want a lazy day. Then this one here is Winter Overlay 1A. So this one is in silver, and it's got all the cute little sayings on it. Some of them are a little bit snarky, some of them are cute, like the smiling is my favorite. Y'all know what that comes from. This one has some boxes, overlays, and then these are strips. So you've got your bow strips, and then your overlay boxes, which is your half and your quarter boxes in silver. And then this one here is another big box here. You've got some corners, some bows, and then washi. So these fit over, you know, your washi spaces. And this is all kind of sized for your standard 1.5 by 2 inch boxes. So there's that silver bundle. Now you've got a foiled kit. And this one is called Home for the Holidays. And if you can hear anybody laughing in the background, it is my daughter and her husband. They're playing video games. So there you can see the silver. Super pretty. So this one's called Home for the Holidays. And then this one is your washi and your dates. Again, pretty silver everywhere. Then here we've got full boxes, half boxes, quarter boxes. And then this page has some deco on it, some important stuff here. Next week, meal plan, etc. These right here are strips. So let me see if I can do this without. So these are washi strips. That. And you've got 2 different styles there and some boxes here, another full box here, which is also glittered, and then little weekend, etc. So that is the foiled kit. Set that off to the side. Next up is, this is so fun. This is a monthly kit, which is, see, this is why I wanted this to go out before Black Friday, because if I can get these in the mail to you guys this week, you'll get them by December for sure. So this is another foiled page here with icons. This one is done in rose gold, so it's got icons and then more numbers here. So if you need numbers for something else, you've got them, and then a bunch of little tiny words here with some important stuff. I never can find enough work, so it's just a thing for me. I love having all these little tiny works so that I can march out on my calendar what my work days are. So that is also included. And then here is a monthly kit. So it's really, really cute. Love the artwork on this, but this is a monthly kit and it does fit like the standard Erin Condren sized monthly kit, but you could probably cut this down to make it fit for anything that you needed it to. You've got the big long notes page here. But what's super fun about this is I've also created a little countdown. So this is your 24 days until Christmas, 23, 21, etc. And it's got all the matching deco to go with it. So that is the monthly kit. You've got a full mini kit in here. I told you there's over $100 worth of stuff in here. So this is a great deal. This one is called Christmas Gift, and I love the colors. I wanted to do something where you had a whole bunch of different things to choose from where everything wasn't exactly the same. So you've got some really bright, cute colors here with a full icon page. You've got a washi page. Then you've got all your full boxes and some quarter boxes at the bottom. Got your washi, date covers, more full boxes, and some half boxes and quarter boxes, and then your everything page with all of your lists and your numbers and all that good stuff. So there's a full monthly kit in here. Then you've got, last but not least, a full-sized regular kit, and this is the one that matches your clip. So see here. And these, so that's that. So you've got your full boxes here. This one is called Hello Holidays. Here's your second page with your washies and your date covers. Some more boxes. You know, all my kits have a lot of boxes. These are all washi strips, not washi strips, header strips, whatever, you know what I mean, the little strips. Whole bunch of scripts here, your to-do boxes, numbers, weekend banner, tracker, and then the last page has a big old notes page, and here's all of your icons here. I also made some of these little check boxes, so if you're a bullet journaler or you like to put these little check boxes in, these kits work great as well, and more scripts at the bottom. So that is everything in the silver box. And actually I think the total comes to $107 if you were to buy all of this stuff separately. So you are getting a lot. So in this one is the gold one. Again, you get the mistletoe kisses. Here is the gold version of that clip. Here I'm just going to pick them up and show you like this. This video is going to be super long if I don't. Here's these guys here. This one has a little, I don't know if you can see that, but it's got like a red gem in the middle. This one here has a cute little ornament hanging from it, along with, you've got your lobster clasp. So you can set these like on the front of your planner if you wanted to. So isn't that cute? So sparkly. And then this one, your charm clip with all the gold on it. I'll just spread it out so you can see it. It's got lots of sparkly goodness. Now on to the gold kit. Again, it's going to come packaged in that package I just showed you. You've got your, that's the same, that's the same. This is the gold version of it. So your numbers, I'm just going to do like that so you can see your numbers, your date covers, your holiday to-do list, decorate trees on here, donate toys, go shopping, buy stamps, all the cool stuff. Again, here's your 1A in gold, 1B in gold, 1C in gold. There's that. Your gold kit. After this, the rest of it's the same. The gold kit here is called Country Christmas. And this is how the gold kit looks. So here's number 2 page. I love this like sweater background. It's like my favorite. Here are your full boxes and your half boxes. And again, these are the little strips. Today, this week, next week, meal plan important. Super cute. So there's that. So other than that and that, the rest of it is the same. So again, you're going to get your full mini kit plus the add-on pages. You're going to get your, again, this is just so pretty. I just got this rose gold in, so I made up this sheet really fast and added it to it so that you could have, I wanted you guys to see what the rose gold was. I love rose gold, but sometimes it's too gold or too pink, and this one I think is perfect. So this is that beautiful mix of the rose and the gold. I don't know if you can get it. I don't know if this is going to do it justice, but when you get them in the mail, let me know what you think of this rose gold. Your full month kit plus the countdown, Christmas countdown, and then your full, if I had it in order, that would be fantastic. your full monthly kit, Hello Holidays. Again, I know I'm rushing through this part, but you've already seen it in the silver. Anyway, so that is everything that comes in the gold. You've seen everything that comes in the silver. I hope you guys love this stuff. It's up on the website right now. I will leave it linked below if you're watching this on YouTube. If you're watching this on Instagram, it is in my LinkedIn profile. So just go to the profile, you'll find the shop, and it'll take you right to this particular bundle. And like I said, the Black Friday sale will be 40% off during Black Friday, so it'll start on Black Friday and go all the way through the weekend through Cyber Monday, but this is not a part of that. So if you want one of these kits, you probably should jump on board so that I can get them out to you right away, and that way this stuff doesn't get mixed in with the Black Friday mail, because if you get this out early enough, you'll get it in plenty of time for you to set up your December planners. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys have a fabulous week, and I will see you again with the Black Friday release. Have a great day. Bye-bye.